President Catherine Connolly has welcomed dozens of students from Gaza who were evacuated here over the past year to Áras and Uachtaráin. She told them that they have inspired Irish people and given hope, while saying the obligation to take action against war rests with everyone.
It's less than a year since most of these students escaped from Gaza. This afternoon, they thanked the people of Ireland, saying here they have found dignity. Catherine Connolly told them that their presence gave inspiration and hope.
You challenge us in every way and on every day to reflect on what is happening with the normalisation of war and genocide. You tell us, and I agree, genocide is about the whole world. It's about humanity and how we are erasing humanity.
Our message here, we all, the students from Gaza, need to really thank you, the government of Ireland, and also the people of Ireland, everyone who support us, to opening their hearts, and not also their heart, their universities, their country to us.
These students were evacuated from Gaza in operations coordinated by the Department of Foreign Affairs and supported by 14 universities and colleges here. They have a future now, but their families and loved ones remain in Gaza.
To be honest, I'm still in the trauma and the shock, I would say. I'm studying. At the same time, I don't know, it feels like a dream.
You suffer emotionally every day, thinking of them, thinking of suffering they face and endure every single day.
This afternoon, though, was about joy. Some students couldn't resist the draw of Irish music. They told the President Ireland is our second home. Emma O'Kelly, RTE News, Áras and Uachtaráin.